Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ashley, and if this is your first time here, make sure you do subscribe on the bottom of this page. Make sure you do leave a comment down below with any suggestions you may have, and make sure you do follow me on social media, makeup artist 27, and that will be Facebook and Instagram. And make sure you do click the bell notification to get notifications when I do upload new videos. And if you're liking the video, make sure you do give it a thumbs up. Yes, and make sure you do share my videos so I can get more subscribers. I am trying to reach my goal, which is 5K. I still have a long way to go, but if you guys share it, I might make it possible. That is my next giveaway, the 5K giveaway. Also on Instagram, if you're not following me on Instagram, my next giveaway will be 5K. I'm in 3,500, something like that. So we are really close. It's just about sharing and communicating to your audience too about my makeup channel. And yes, now I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I'm gonna be unboxing Ipsy, Allure, and Boxy Charm, which I am behind, but I'm gonna be doing a full face of Ipsy products, and that will be coming soon. I don't know when, but I'll make it happen with the boxes I have now. Hopefully on the weekend or somewhere I will be able to record that and have it for you guys as soon as possible. The same thing I did with the full face of Ipsy, and I'll put the video right here so you guys can take a look. And yes, I'm gonna start with the Ipsy bag, Ipsy Plus, because I changed it again to the Plus. So I'm gonna show you last month, and then I'll show you this month, and let's go ahead and get started. Here's the box. If you haven't seen it, it's this. It is $25, and you get 5 products that are full size. I have here Paris Hilton Dual Action Cleansing Gel. If you haven't heard from that, Paris Hilton released a skincare line, and I guess this is one of her products. I can't wait to use it. It's a cleansing gel. I love cleansing gels. Anything that can clean my face a little bit more, I love. So I'm gonna be putting this on my bathroom so I can use it. Next product I have, which I'm very excited to try, is the Heavenly Skin Smoothing Complexion Brush. This is from It Cosmetics, and wow, I can't believe I got an It Cosmetic brush. I always wanted to try it, so hopefully I'll be able to do that. But yeah, this is from last month. Next product I received is the Lovecraft Beauty Bronzer Palette. I never heard this brand, and yeah, it's some pretty nice colors for bronzing. I'm not sure if I'm gonna give this out or use it, so we shall see on that. And the product I was really excited about is the Laura Sanchez palette. When I do the full face palette, full face of makeup with Ipsy Cosmetics, I'll use this palette for sure because I am so excited to try it. This is the palette. It's such a beautiful funky palette with those colors, and yeah, you have the highlighters there. It's just beautiful. I want to try the primer. A lot of people talk really good about the primers, and yes, I want to try it. The next product is the Huda Beauty Smoky Obsession. If you don't know Ipsy, before they send you the box, they'll send you an email. Now you may add add-ons to your box, and those are like products that are like half price, or I don't know, I don't even know they're half price, they're just on sale. So this was on there, and like the previous month before, and I ordered it and it didn't make it. They were like out of stock. That was an Ipsy bag that I lost. Well, they lost because I don't know what happened to the Ipsy bag, but this is, I was able to get it for this month, for last month, and I think it's like 12 bucks. So it's like, oh my god, 12 bucks. These cost like 20 something, or even, I don't even know what is the price. But this is the palette. I love it because it's a smoky eye palette. So I love smoky eyes, if you don't know that. But that is the Ipsy Glam bag or Glam box for the month of April. That was exciting. Now I'm gonna go ahead and get started with the Ipsy Glam bag for the month of May, and I am so excited to show you guys this one because it's exciting. So we had the Murad Renewal Eye Serum. This brand, it's amazing. It's a really good brand and I love it. Next product we have is a Wonder Beauty Seascape palette. Let's see if I can open this thing. Okay, when they put like tape everywhere, like both sides have tape. It's a really pretty palette. I love the colors. Really pretty palette. Simple, shimmery, love it. It's a nice palette. Next product we have is mascara from Il Makiage. I don't know. Il Makiage mascara. Next product we have is a Pixie by Petra eyeliner in the color black. Next we have Tokyo Milk Margot Elena lip gloss. It's a really nice lip gloss. Yeah, it's just, it's like clear lip gloss. Next we have is the Bang mascara from Benefit. I love this mascara, so I don't mind. And then as usual we have some bubble sheets from Glam Glow. I love these, so you'll see me with one of these relaxing. So that is the Ipsy Bag Plus for the month of May. The next one we have is the Boxy Charm for the month of May, and this one I was so excited when I got it. Remember, I do the spoilers and you can check those videos on my playlist. I do the spoilers for the Boxy Charm and it's going pretty good. Like, I see a lot of views and I'm liking that. Hopefully I can attract more people to my channel. So I was so excited when I got this box. This is the box I wanted. This is the box that I wanted. And we have the Allure Cosmetics, because one of the boxes didn't have the Allure Cosmetics, but the one I got had it. And this is I think this is the first one. This is the, because there's like different shades. This is the one that has Castaway, Paraíso, and Scorcher. So this is the lightest shade range, the Fair Light. Yeah, this is the Fair Light. And I was excited when I got that. And I have the Dose of Colors, which I was so excited to get. I wanted the one that had the red lipstick, but you know, you can ask for much. But this is such a pretty color too. This is my first of colors. Ooh, it kind of looks like the ColourPop there. Remember that ColourPop I swatched from, look, it's kind of like the same. Oh baby, we have a dupe right there. And ColourPop is cheaper. But this is the color, let's see, Stone. And this is a liquid matte lipstick. Then I have a Eye Luster Cream Shadow. Eyeshadow. And it's really pretty. It's like glittery and I'm so excited to try it, guys. I'm gonna show you guys. Hopefully I'll do a video using the products so you guys can see it too. Then I have a lip liner or an eyeliner from Emerald. It's like a green color, like a teal. Oh, that's pretty right there. That is so pretty. And that is that. And then we have a Glam Glow Gentle Bubble Daily Conditioner Cleanser. I thought this was like a conditioner because it's a conditioner. I'm like, conditioner, but it's just a cleanser for the face. Okay, so I thought it was like, And I wanted that too. I wanted everything that I wanted is here, except the lip line, like the eyeliner, the eye pencil. I was not into that, but the ones that I wanted are there. And then I'm gonna show you the Allure Beauty. I kind of like canceled this one. Hopefully they got the message. So I don't know which month is this. I have no clue which month is this, but I'll show you guys what I have here. On this one I have Stropes Purity Self Tan Natural Glowing Skin, and then I have Youth Revolution Radiance Cream and Mask. Then I have a moisture cream from Laneige. Not sure. Then I have metallic eyeshadow from Modern Company. Let's see, I want to open that. Ooh, so pretty. It's like a shimmer brown or something, like a shimmer champagne color. It's pretty. It's right there, and you can see it. That is pretty. Then we have this that I was like, what the fuck is this? Like, seriously, I didn't know what it was. I think you add water, mix them with a tablespoon of erase, half tablespoon of water to form a paste, apply to face and let dry for 1 minute. It's kind of like a skin thing, I don't know, but it's like powdery, and it's called Louis by GCO. It's an erase. It cleanses, exfoliates, and brightening powder. And then we have Laritzi Cosmetics lip gloss and like a nude color. And yeah, guys, that is it for the all the subscription boxes I got for the month of May and April. So yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you're not subscribed to those boxes, you can always link, my links are in the bottom, and you can click on those links and subscribe. If you subscribe to those, it's only like for the Ipsy is like $10 or either 25. For the Glam, for the Boxy Charm is $22. If you want the Boxy Charm locks, it's extra $23.99, something like that. So it will be 21 plus 23. It's like 50. I'm not sure what it is, but it's something like that. And the Allure is only 15 or 10, something like that. I kind of cancel because I'm not liking everything I get in there, which is a waste because I just don't use it, or I'm not sure. But yeah, guys, I hope you guys like the video, and make sure you do follow me on my social media, Makeup Artist 27, and I'll see you in my next video, guys. Bye.